Well, I just get back now. New York is kind of rainy, so I'll be there for you in a few seconds, okay? Well, today is a weight day and I'm excited. Now, not only because I'm going to do this just for me, but for us, you and me. We're gonna do it together. We're gonna make things happen together. I know for the fact that I'm going to get my 4-pack abs in 90 days, and I want you to get your 4-pack abs in 90 days. And of course, everybody has a different weight and everybody has a different goal. But for me, there's one thing that reminded me of either you go all the way or don't do it at all. Because I was overweight for the majority of my life. Now, until like 4 years ago, I decided to lose weight once and for all. Right before the surgery, I realized that my mindset shifted. I no longer allowed myself to have the old me. I no longer wanted to have that 238 pounds Henry. So I decided once and for all, I was going to look good for the rest of my life. Because of that going all the way, that's when I was able to receive the 4-pack abs, where I weighed roughly about 173 pounds. So I'm excited, and I'm going to open up this box right here. That's a brand new scale. Pretty cool. So I'm going to just go ahead and weigh in right now, and then I'll show it to you what my weight will be. So it's a oops, hold on. I just need to put it one more time. Okay, so 199.1 pound. Well, it seems that I weighed less than it's supposed to be. I thought I would be 204 pounds, but it seems like I was lighter now by 5 pounds. I remembered that the time I was 173 pounds, I had a 4-pack abs. By losing another 4 pounds, it should make it more solid compared to before, which is pretty cool. Well, I accept that challenge and I'm going to do it with whole heart on this. Here are 5 activities that I'm going to add into my lifestyle. First one, I'm going to have 2 cycling classes. Second, I'm going to have the 1 weight training class. Third, I'm going to have a cardio in the gym for 30 minutes. Fourth, I'm going to cut down my food intake by 20%. So it's not going completely starving myself. I was able to maintain my weight and get a 4-pack abs and maintain it a couple of years because I didn't cut the carb immediately. Instead, cutting it down slowly, let my body adjust to it. Alright, so what I'm going to do for the first 1 week. The 5th one is no food after 7 p.m. at night. Plus, every day I'm going to take picture from the front, from the side, from the back, and I'm going to do it for 90 days straight. This allows me to show before and after picture. So if you want to join in and losing the weight and living a healthy life, feel free to do it. So that way you know you are in for sure, just like I do. So if you're inspired by my weight loss journey, what I want you to do is I want you to write down on the comment below by saying that let's do it together. This way we can start this journey together and live the limitless life from today's forward. Plus, it will give me more motivation to create more videos coming your way, as I know you'll be interested to know more what it takes to actually get a 4-pack abs, instead of just saying that, oh yeah, you can get 4-pack abs anytime you want to. But the truth is, you want the proof. You want to make sure that you got the solid 4-pack abs to show it to you that it can be done. Thank you so much for watching my weight in on my weight loss journey. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to show you each step on what you can do to live a limitless life on every aspect of your being. Until then, stay limitless forever.
Hey, hey, hey!
I'm just eating the snack.
Give me back and stay with your plant.
I don't care. I still have more.
Get all back. What are you doing?
What?